Hey, how are you? I have made an automatic dehumidifier. A dehumidifier is basically a device that controls the humidity of the air. It's basically used in indoors, and yeah, it sucks the moisture there and it basically dehumidifies it. Um, my device will work automatically depending on the relative humidity relative to its temperature, and it will turn on and off depending on the relative humidity of the indoor temperature relative to its temperature actually. Yeah. It has also a manual mode. I have programmed it so that you can turn it um, you can toggle between an automatic and manual mode. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. It was actually a lot of fun making this project. Um, yeah, that's basically it, I think. It will work on 10 cubic feet room. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's see how I've made it. Yeah. Um, this pod is basically the heart of a Peltier dehumidifier. A Peltier is a material that heats one side and cools another side, the opposite side. So, how the dehumidifier uses a Peltier, yeah, you can see that. I actually can't. It's covered actually. This side of the Peltier is connected with the heat sink. That means this side of the Peltier would cool that's I think an aluminium. Yeah. So that's the cooling side and that's the heat sink, and there is a 12-volt fan that I've connected with. That's actually a normal PC fan. It is the same fan that I have used actually. And then I have used an Arduino Uno, and I have did a couple of things. I've used a relay module, and I've used ON602A display with an I2C. This part with I2C is very useful. It is only 4 pins, and if you want to use this with Arduino Uno, then you like think that's a lot of pins basically. So yeah, it's a good trade-off. And that is the humidity and temperature sensor that I've connected with Arduino, and there is a touch sensor that basically controls the dehumidifier's functions. So let me demonstrate. If I touch this sensor, then it is a bit in manual mode now. It denotes by M, and you can see that the dehumidifier is off now. So if I press this touch sensor, then I'm sorry. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh my god! I think there's a connection problem. Okay, let me fix it real quick. See, my code again. Uploading done complete. So it's off now, and if I turn it on, yeah, you'll see that dehumidifier is basically on now, and if you see this part, then you'll see that this fan is now running, and if I touch this sensor again, this sensor, then it will turn off. The fan is basically off. So, and there is also and there is also an automatic mode. The automatic mode, it will operate automatically depending on the humidity and the environmental temperature, room temperature actually. You can see there is a red light, so it is actually says a humid air. See, humid air. The temperature is 26 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 61%. I think the humidity for 26 degrees Celsius is between 40 to 60%, so 61 exceeds that value. 60 also exceeds, I think I've programmed it. It's a float value, so yeah, it takes that value. Yeah. So if the humidity is between 40 to 60.0%, then there will be a green light, and basically the dehumidifier will be turned off. Yeah. So I've used relay module, and I've used a transistor. This little one. There's a transistor. So the base is connected with Arduino's on pin. So whenever the pin is high, this fan will be turned on. This fan is on, and for the relay module, because I've also used a transistor, but the same transistor, but it became very hot, and it was kind of like 80 degrees Celsius. So I just used this relay module, and using a transistor is really easy, but yeah, I ended up using this actually. These are pretty handy actually. So how this works is the Arduino sends a signal here, and whenever the signal is positive, it will this port is connected to the adapter, triple adapter, and this port is connected with the peltier that will cool our aluminum side, cooling side, and basically when the air passes through this side and the air sucks to this, the air will this portion is like a 0 or -1 degree. So whenever the humid air passes through a cold surface, the water will the surface will have some water, and that is how our dehumidifier functions. So yeah, so whenever the signal is on, this will send a signal here, and this will turn on the peltier. So yeah, pretty simple, and it's actually pretty cool. So you see the LED is changing intensity, let's say. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I've added this function. That's a manual mode. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically the circuit. I'll program it. I'll program a few things, and I'll add a few things later, but for now I will just assemble it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'll see you after I've assembled it. Hey, it's been quite a day, and I've been assembling the dehumidifier. So I thought I'd show you what I've done so far. This is the model that I have built so far, and I have used this thin sheet, and you can just use a cutter like this to cut this sheet. Yeah, I've done some calculations and I've done some measurements, and I cut this out. That's the cold part of my dehumidifier, and that's the heat sink, and there's the fan. And I've added those LEDs that I've shown you in the previous video. There's a red, green, blue, yellow, and I've added another LED, the white. It define its function later, but I've added it anyway. And I've also given the same laser, the same thing. There's a plus point and there's the minus. I haven't done anything with them. And there's the plus point of my LEDs, and there's a minus point, and there's a connection for the peltier, and that's for the fan. It's a solid design. So how it will work is I'll give it a shader. So I will come here, and I think this portion will be blocked and have it be some kind of water jar. So the water will drip down and the jar will collect the water. So basically this portion will be blocked, so I can't go, and this fan, it sucks the air to this side. So this fan will suck the air to this side, and the fan will blow the whole side of the peltier and the heat sink, and the air will come out from here. So yeah, I have designed a small portion here, so the air will actually go through here. Then the fan will suck the air, and it will go out from here. So that is a solid system. It's my Arduino that I will be connecting, but I can't connect it with this Arduino. I can't really connect it with the main line. I have to connect it, I think I'm good with 9 volt or 12 volt for now there, because I have that adapter with me. So I can't go any further from for now, because that's a 9 volt adapter, and I connected it with the main line, and I think there's a short circuit somewhere here. So you can see the resistor is somewhat burnt. See here, this portion, this resistor is burnt. So there's like a big blast. So there's like really big blast. So this adapter is of no use right now. So I need to buy another one. So I can't go any further for now. Yeah. And that's basically the circuit. That's basically the circuit diagram for how we'll connect it. So that's the Arduino. That's my LEDs: red, green, blue, yellow, white, and that would be a transistor. That would be the fan, that would be peltier, that would be 12 volt adapter, that would be relay, that would be connected with this, ground 5 volt, and that would be the humidity sensor that would be connected with the 5 volt, that would be the display, yeah, I've soldered it, see? That should be the display, and here would be the touch sensor. So yeah, I'll finish this project, and it was quite a fun. It's just really quite a fun project to work on. For the panel pellet, we use this 12 volt adapter. Yeah, these are fun. I have done, that's a 9 volt adapter. Yeah, that is a 12 volt adapter. These are fun. I haven't done anything with it. So yeah, this is it from my hand for now. And that's also 12 volt adapter. Yeah. So that's really it for now. I think I will see you later, and thank you very much for